Mass production, aka flow production, is a manufacturing process that involves producing extremely large quantities of standardized products using specialized equipment and processes. In other words, continuously making identical products in a heavily automated production process. Have you ever wondered why big companies such as Tesla and Apple rely on mass production when producing their cars and iPhones? It all comes down to one key factor: achieving economies of scale. When a business uses mass production, they can purchase raw materials in bulk and minimize their reliance on skilled workers, which in turn helps them to reduce both material and labor costs. Whilst we're talking about labor, another key advantage of using mass production is the division of labor. By having specialized staff who are trained specifically for their role in the production process, a business can increase both the speed and quality of their production. This in turn allows a business to price their products more competitively. Just imagine if every iPhone was custom made using job production instead of mass production. It's likely to cost both you and Apple much more money and take a lot longer to produce each iPhone. That's why companies such as Apple that produce high demand standardized products utilize mass production. Have you ever heard how Tesla uses mass production to produce their electric cars? It's pretty impressive. Tesla knows that in order to make their electric cars more accessible to the mass market, they need to produce them at scale. So they've gone all in on automation, using robots and highly efficient assembly lines to produce their electric cars. Take the Model 3, for example. It's one of the best-selling EVs on the planet. And a big part of that success is due to Tesla's mass production capabilities. At Tesla's factory in Fremont, California, they're capable of producing over 500,000 electric cars every single year. By embracing mass production, Tesla is helping to change the game in the automotive industry and moving us closer to a sustainable transportation future. So far, mass production must sound great to you and for the businesses that use it, but because the process is so highly automated, it often comes with a hefty price tag for all of the equipment and machinery that's required. Plus, in a competitive market, profit margins can be slim, since the products are all identical and are likely to sell for less. Mass production can also limit a business's ability to adapt to change, which can lead to poor quality control and storage problems, especially when such a high volume of products are being produced. In addition to this, the repetitive nature of mass production can lead to a demotivated workforce, which in turn could result in increased absenteeism and rates of labour turnover. So, it's definitely worth weighing both the pros and the cons of using mass production in business before jumping in and producing the same standardized product over and over again.